Welcome to the English class, Brotherly Love. So, very interesting story. So, already the grammar part is completed. Now we are going to see the question and answers. So, why did the elder brother carry grains to add to the younger brother's stock? First question. Why did the elder brother carry grain to add to the younger brother's stock? So this is the first question, children. So why did the elder brother carry grains to add to the younger brother's stock? So elder brother is what? Older brother in story. Okay, younger brother means what? Older brother and peddanna. Younger brother means chinnaya. So who is very rich means what? Little much rich. Older brother. Okay, the younger brother has a huge family, more number of children compared to older brother. So why did elder brother carry grains to his younger brother? Yes. So here we have right there. So both of them married. The older brother was a little better off than the younger brother. One day had a large family to feed. Okay. The older brother was worried about his younger brother as he had a large family to feed. So right now, the older brother was very worried the older brother was very worried about his younger brother as he had larger family to feed. So why did the elder brother carry grains to add to the younger brother means this is the reason. So the older brother was very worried about his younger brother as he had larger family to feed. Why? Because compared to older brother, the younger brother has a larger family, better family. So అందుకనే older brother ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? He is helping to the elder brother. So next question, second answer. I am directly writing the answer. We just write the question and write the answer. Okay, children. Second answer. What did the elder brother discover when he went to check his grain? So what did elder brother అంటే older brother పెద్దవాడు. So ఆయన grains check చేసినప్పుడు ఏమైందంటే ఓకే సో but he was surprised to see that his own grain supply had not reduced. So what happened? What did the elder brother discover when he went to check his grain? So the elder brother discovered that his own grain supply had not reduced. So the elder brother discovered that his own grain supply had not reduced. Means what? Remains same. So when used, nothing but remains same. Ante only. So next third one. Where did the elder brother hide and why did he do so? So elder brother ekkada daakunnadu. Why did he do so? So the elder brother hide. Write down the answer. The elder brother hide. Why did the younger brother? Okay, the elder brother hide HID hide. Where he hide nana? ఎక్కడ దాక్కున్నాడు the elder brother? So the elder brother hide himself in the field. Field అంటే ఏంటి? ఆ పొలంలో దాక్కున్నాడు. So why he did that? Okay. Why did he do so means what? So he want to know the field that night to see what was happening. He want to in the field that night to see or to know the secret. Know the secret behind why that he hide himself to see what was happening or to see or to know the secret. What secret? That reminds to know the secret behind. Okay, to know the secret behind why his grains are not reduced. So level the Colossian knowledge to know the secret. Okay, so right. Next, fourth question. So why did the younger brother try to help his elder brother? So why did the younger brother try to help his younger brother? The younger brother then told him, brother, I have been very worried about you. The crop this time has not been very good, so I could not sleep. Okay, so why his younger brother helped? So his younger brother worried about his older brother. His younger brother worried about his elder brother. His younger brother worried about his elder brother. Okay, so what was worrying? Elder brother and his family. Because they got very less grains to feed their family. This time. Okay children, so this is the fourth question. Okay, let's write the fifth question. How do we know that brothers love each other dearly? So we will write the fifth question. What is the fifth question? How do we know that brothers loved each other dearly? So because they are helping each other unknowingly. Unknowingly means what? Okay, because they are helping each other unknowingly and wholeheartedly. So that we can say the brothers love each other. The brothers love each other dearly. Okay, So sixth one and seventh one you will see in the next class, children. Okay. So if not, see that the brothers in the story were poor, yet they lived quite happily. What was the main reason for this? Okay. So I will see in the next video. Thank you.